White and grey ball press in daily use. We inevitably need to carry out maintenance. About white and grey ball press cleaning, we need to understand and pay attention to these details. We should carefully and real-time clean up the dust falling on the white ash ball pressing machine. In the process of disassembly, careful dust removal should be carried out to prevent it from invading the mechanical moving parts. Check the wear of the triangle liner, bearing, screw, nozzle, and other parts inside the body of the white-grey ball press, and clean it up. Replace bearing grease. Check whether the bottom and safety bolt of the white-grey ball press are loose, and tighten them. Open the inspection cover of the accelerator to check the gear fit and wear state. If we find that there is a large pressure change in the oil pressure of the clean ball oil cylinder, new oil should be injected in real time. If the oil pressure system of the white ash ball press is found leaking oil during operation, it should be stopped immediately and restarted after repairing the oil leak.